Now I am going to talk about karma is boomerang. Everyone has heard of karma, but most of us think it to be fate, which is wrong. When you understand the true meaning of karma, it can be used as a powerful instrument throughout your life. Go ahead and find the real meaning of karma. Karma theory has nothing to do with one destiny. If a person has done negative, it does not mean that something negative has happened to him. The real meaning of karma was the first generated by the person action that are held in Hinduism and Buddhism to perpetuate transmigration and its ethical consequence to determine the nature do person next existence. Karma means that physics action source for every action. There must be an equal and opposite reaction. Karma is a energy which in itself is neither good or bad. There are just like a label people choose to attach it. For example, a man himself sows, so he himself reaps. No man inherits the another man. There are three types of karma: prahamba, sanchitra, ahami. Prahamba karma is experienced through present body. Sanchitra is a sum of one past karmas. Agami is a result of current decision and action. Now I am going to share one story about karma. In a remote village lived a farmer who had 5 children and a crippled wife. He had to shoulder all his burdens of his family. The poor farmer borrowed money from many, had to sow the seed and waiting for the rain. The farmer went to the field and the soil looked dry. He looked at the sky with hope, but there was no sign of rain. He closed his eyes and prayed. All his problem raised into eyes. After his opening eyes, tears stormed out. The next day, farmer decided to irrigate the field artificially. He worked day and night, but could only irrigate half of the field. He could satisfied with that. Finally, the crops were ready to be harvested. He harvested, threshed, packed the rice, and stored it in his storeroom, and went to bed and had a peaceful sleep. After many years, misfortune never come alone. He visited the storeroom after some days. He was shocked. Oh my God! His voice shook with fear. What I am going to do now? Rat had damaged the rice sack. The poor farmer didn't know what to do immediately and rushed to the trader. After the incident, the trader took under his supervision and gave the best rice sacks. After some years, the poor farmer became a successful man in life and always thanked to his trader for providing him everything. He had then his good karma gave him the best result. So it true to say that our own karma designs our own destiny. Karma is called boomerang because just like a boomerang is thrown, it will always return back in the hands of the thrower. For every action, there must be an equal and opposite reaction you receive from the world. What you give to the world. Karma has no menu. You get served what you deserve. Karma is a boomerang. Never try to skip it. Life is like a boomerang. Whatever you throw it, it will always return. Thank you.